Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new mock military video, today with the Airbus H145M from Europe. This helicopter, aka Airbus H145M, Eurocopter H145M or UH-72B from United States in this case, is the same machine, but the name changes during the time, depending if you are in Europe or United States, but it's the same helicopter. And if you look at it and you think it's familiar with something you have already seen on this channel, well, you are right, it's normal, because this is the military version of the H145 that I already designed, that you can find here among my all other helicopters designed until now. So this is the civil version, you can see it here, while today we have the military one. And yes, we have many helicopters, so even before starting, the usual reminders. If you like my designs, check the caption of the video, because you can find many useful links, such as the link to get the instructions to build my designs, another link to get cheaper third-party bricks, and even the full sets. Not only that, but you can also find the playlist with my all other designs. So, as you may notice, I design many things. I suggest you to check the caption of the video. The playlists are divided by categories, so should be not too difficult to find what you like most. And today we will concentrate on this little baby here. As usual, in this video I'll show you all the moving parts and the features that you cannot properly see in the still photos. This way you can know exactly what you'll get before getting the parts, instructions, or the full set, depending on what you like most. And I think we may immediately start checking the inside first, that as you may notice, we have here inside some instruments for minifigures, because this is in minifigure scale, like my other 1:35 scale designs. You can fit two minifigures inside here that I can show you here, it's faster. You have them here inside, I think you can see them, and obviously you have also some free space to put something else inside, like other minifigures or whatever you like. We have first to check here the main rotor that can rotate, because it's a rotor, and we can rotate but also tilt. This one is connected with a ball joint that gives you the ability to move it in every direction, so you can tilt it as you like most. Then we have here on the back rotor, and obviously I always read your comments, your suggestions, and also your complaints. You are correct to let me know. So I improved the tail rotor that you can see here. Of course, this upgrade is present already also on the previous civil variant, so you will find them updated with this solution here, that you can see here, maybe like the fashion bloggers. I can show you here the prototype of the tail. That is very stable. You can move it a lot, even if the camera do not focus on it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. I want to shake it just to let you see how durable is it now. So I think I solved the problem that some of you complained for, that it was good but a little bit unstable. Now, as you can see, I can play a lot with it. And wait, I can do also this test. So whee! And see, still visible, no cuts, and it works. Another feature is here on the back, these two doors can open. I checked and they can open also on the military variant, even though I'm not sure why. Maybe for the troops. Let me know if you are aware of the reason. As usual, I try to implement as many details as possible. Everything I see, it's here. One more thing, on this helicopter you can find the tail in two different variants, sometimes with these little wings and sometimes without them. So you can remove them. As you can see, can be disconnected very easily, and you can remove it if you want it without them. I think it's easier to remove something than adding it, so in the instructions they are present. Here we have the side doors that can slide this direction and open, But before doing it, here we have two stoppers. It's also explained in the instructions, don't worry, but what they are for. This one is to keep the door always closed, so let's say you don't want to open it, never. If you remove it, you can open and close it as you wish, while this other one is needed to avoid the door to slide off. One more thing present on the M version of this helicopter is here on the front we have sensors. If you want, you can buy custom parts, custom stickers and make it even better, but I think this way is already quite cool. And finally, here on the sides we have these two arms to add the weapons. Now, these arms use a connection system that for some of you may be considered illegal technique. I'm not really sure, but it works very fine. Actually, here I have a prototype for you. So again, like a fashion blogger, you can see it. Please focus. Yes, focus. Okay, so this is the prototype of the arm you can see there, and it's quite strong. As you can see here, we have, this one is an aircraft engine of maybe a spoiler that I'll show you later. So this one is needed for something, but it's just to show you how much weight you can add on it, and it still works. So let's check the last few things here before concluding the video. What we have here, these parts can be added on the fuselage in this position and on the other side. So we have one for each side. Removing this part, it's not needed anymore, and covering with 1 and 2. You can do the same thing on the other side. This one is the winch, I think it's called properly, where you have a rope used by the troops to go down and up the helicopter without landing. And here we have a mix of things connected to show you the final result, with this rocket launcher here, a double missile launcher here, we have the winch here on this side and not on this other one. But as usual, it's always up to you choosing what you like most. As I promised, here a little spoiler of something that will soon arrive. Let me know in the comments if you can guess what this prototype will be for. I'm really curious to know how many of you will guess what this prototype is for. And that's it, the video finished here. Now you know everything about this mock, so you can decide if you like it or not before getting the instructions or the full set. As usual, remember to leave a thumbs up if you like these or my other designs, and see you again next time with a new project. Bye!